Alright, hi guys, so welcome to today's video. Is my background okay? Okay. Welcome to today's video. This is going to be actually a tutorial, and I'm actually using some OG products, some black opal products. But first of all, you know I'm going to talk about my hair, right? Yeah girl. Okay, so this, oh my gosh. This hair is from Julia Hair. Girl, and this is their Malaysian curly. Know what I love, and I made a video about this. I love when the packages can come in these boxes so that they can be repurposed. You know what I mean? I can use them for like makeup storage. If I want to have a little change, you know, like a little savey save type of thing, I just put it up in this bottle here, you know, so I can repurpose it. And I love these boxes. I just don't regularly know I am keeping them, because you never know, and I'm not a hoarder, but you never know, honey. So my hair is oh god, 26 inches, girl, and it goes on and on and on. 26 inches. The curl pattern is absolutely amazing. This is a natural color of the hair. I did not color it. I made the wig literally yesterday, well, last night. Did nothing to it except just finger comb it that you guys saw at the beginning of the video. But this hair is not stiff. Look at that. It is just nice, full, bouncy. Oh, I miss these hairs, man. This hair is huge, and I missed these tight curls. You guys know how I feel about like the wavy hair, like the deep wave, but boo, this tight curls give me the same vibe, honey. The same vibe. Extremely low maintenance. I have worked with Julia Hair before, and ooh, I cannot express to you how grateful I am to be working with these companies who just have really good hair. There's no fear. Whenever I'm talking, I'm like, yeah girl, just send me whatever you want to send me, honey. I'm gonna do it, because y'all know y'all legit. You know y'all legit. You know, so Julia Hair, 26 inches. Oh, girl, mama. A lot I got. So anyway, enjoy. There's the video tutorial. It's a talk through, yay, and a little bit of voiceover at the end, but you know, it's mostly talk through, shouting out some OG products that I love using. But yeah, this is it, you guys. Julia Hair, Malaysian curly. Please enjoy the video. Thumbs up, notification bell, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get into it, okay? Let's do that. Oh girl. Okay, honey, let's talk about it. Okay, first of all, let me just get my light together. I don't know what y'all think this is. It ain't that. Alright, so I have not worn this foundation in, dare I say, years. So this is none other than Black Opal herself. I'm hoping I'm hazelnut. This pregnancy, I don't know if I'm darker or if I'm lighter. I don't know what it is, but Lord have mercy. I think hazelnut may be a little bit too bright. Okay, yeah, it is. So I think I may just go ahead and be carob. I don't know. Daddy thinks he knows what it is. But yes, so this is hazelnut from Black Opal. I am actually going to blend this out, but because the color is, well, I don't think it works for me, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty sponge. It is so toe up. Look at it. It is toe up, honey. But yes, I'm going to blend out with my Fenty Beauty sponge, because it's not really my color, so the sponge will kind of just spread it nicely for me, not really give me much coverage, you know, just kind of spread it out. So I'm going to just add some more, and then I'm going to use a brush to kind of blend it out. Alright, so now for my highlight, I'm going to be using Rich Caramel. Yo, I just know my makeup's gonna look bomb today, honey, because I haven't used Black Opal in so long. I have so much faith in this brand. And funnily enough, I started receiving emails. You know, like how when it that the what you call them, like the when it's like the subscription or whatever, like that. You know, like the promo emails. I was like, wow, it's been a hot minute since I've gotten an email from anyone. Y'all, I was wondering where y'all was at. But yeah, so this is so nice, and I have so much faith in this brand. I do not doubt this brand 1 second, honey. Not even a minute, boo. Not even a millisecond. So I'm just blending this out. Then I'm going to come back and do my low light. Can you see my real hair? Damn it. Okie dokie. So for my low light, okay, we're looking a little something something. A little something something. So for my low light, I'm taking ebony brown. Ebony brown. Ebony brown. Ebony brown. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so I have the foundation on and everything. I went ahead and I set everything with my my Sasha setting powder. This is the white one for the light areas, and then I use my Sasha matte face powder for all over. So I didn't low light, but as you can see, it's dark, and that's because what is that right here? What is that? I'm seeing something here that I'm not seeing in person. I don't like how my face looks, so I'm hoping with lashes and all that good stuff I can bring some light back to it. So anyway, Hedy, I'm taking my Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. Taking that orange Colorado. I'm just gonna do something real simple. Oh my god, so let's talk about it, right? So about 2 weeks ago I posted a video. Oh, is this my girl? I'm gonna have to crop that out, zoom tight. So I have to do like a tight zoom on this video. But yeah, so then I'm going in with Zane. I went in with Toby and I'm going with Zane. It's like pink. So yeah, I was really shocked that, well, up until this time it has 96,000 views. Let me show you guys. Ooh, it's at 105,000 views right now. It's that video right there, this one right here, and let me just read. You know what, I'm going to do a separate video like reading mean comments. So now I'm taking Zane, and I'm blending it in a little bit with Toby, cleaning off my brush a little bit. Going back in with Toby, the first color, I'm just kind of feathering them into each other. And I'm going to go in with let's go with Neo first, this color here, and that's going to go in my crease. I think I want to do something matte. Something matte. Alright, so then let me go in with my LA Pro Primer in black. It's like a black primer. A black base, basically from LA Girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, you leave out already?
Hmm?
You leave out already?
I leave out yet. I'm showing up.
Oh, I forgot to carry the laptop.
Okay.
Would you be, with a charger for me, please? I'm sorry, I just really forgot. I didn't remember.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks. So blended that out. So now, okay. Yeah, alright. So I'm going to go with a different brush. And I'm going to take Abby. Or Abby. I don't know. Then I'm going to just pat it on top of the LA Pro Primer in black that I have on my lid right now. Run now, run now, run now, run now. Oh. Flip the brush around, getting like the fluffier side to go on top. Ooh, cha. So now, what did I use this brush for? Oh, okay, crease work. Alright, so I'm gonna just clean this brush off a little bit. So then I'm going to go back in with these two colors. So I'm going in with Toby first. And I'm going on top because I kind of want to tone down that blend. I don't want it to be that high. Alright, so this is the finished look, you guys. So for my lips, I'm actually wearing Sunset Angora, and it is a L'Oreal Paris lipstick, and I mixed it with this Avon lipstick, and it is it's called Brown Sugar, and it is just a lip gloss, glazewear lip gloss. This is years old. I'm talking like years. This is also years old. Fun fact, both of those belong to my mom. She doesn't wear a lipstick, or does she love to wear makeup? Only when I do it, she wears it. But then I keep giving her makeup stuff that she's not using. I'm like, too long, two masters, honey. Too long, two masters. So this is the look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, huge shout out to Julia Hair. Girl, this Malaysian curly. Come on with it. Come on with it, guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.